What
Hey
is
everyone,
up?
new day!
What is up, guys? New day, new video. Welcome to the channel. It's me, Mohammed, and today we are in Morocco, guys.
I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. Got nothing to hide. Got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide. I got nothing to hide.
We are in holidays. We are enjoying our time. And of course, even if we are enjoying our time, we should have time to train, to do some workouts, to keep the muscles, and of course, to stay healthy. So that's why today, this beautiful beach, as you can see, I'm gonna share with you a nice full body workout only with your body weight and of course some resistance bands. So if you wanna stay healthy, if you wanna keep your muscles even in holidays, you should try this workout. It's awesome. It's here, it's beautiful at the beach. I'm gonna share with you the beautiful view here and we're gonna enjoy our workout. So let's start.
Yeah. Shawty loves it, loves that I'm a dog. They don't want it, they scared of what I know. Told you the budget, I gotta get my own. Shout out my bros, this right here deserves a toast, A lot of people back home on my back and they know. Trying to get on my line, cause the people I know. Manifest this here, 7+ on the ropes. They ain't doing this shit, tripping over my flows. I'm on the way, tell them I don't play. I'm on the move, trying to get my pay. I might just move on and watch and pray. I'm on the way, I'm on my way. Manifest this here, 7+ on the ropes. They ain't doing this shit, tripping over my flows.
Of course, guys, in holidays, you are not capable to hit to the gym or to find a gym that's near you. So that's why in today's workout, it's gonna be only with your body weight and some resistance bands that you can also have or you can buy. If you wanna have the same ones that I have from fitbeast, check the link in the description below and you can have yourself 15% off or 30, I don't know, but check the links. You can have the same resistance bands. If you want to watch the video from the resistance bands, I will put the link in the description below or I will put it here in the card. And of course you will have two benefits. You can have of course some resistance bands that you can have everywhere, anytime, any place, to build some muscles, stay healthy and get stronger every single day.
about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wondering. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh,
I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling a flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh.
And just like this, guys, the workout is done. Now we're gonna head to the beach. We're gonna enjoy our time, we're gonna enjoy our day and have some fun. Peace.